Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 3, the final day of BoxFest 2020. We want to welcome you and hope you have a great day today. We have some great sessions set up, and the speakers are anxious to get going. So we'll just jump in.
A few reminders: if you have technical issues, step 1, if something goes wrong, if you stop seeing the sharing, then try refreshing your browser. And if that doesn't work, try restarting your computer and coming back in. And if that still doesn't help you, say something in the chat for the stage and we'll pick up on it and see what we can do to help. Reminder too about evaluations. The evaluations you provide for our sessions and for the conference are important. They help us learn that, and while we appreciate all the numbers, anything you write in the open spaces and where text is taken is especially helpful. You received your credentials for our online evaluation system in an email. The part of that title was update number 3. It came before the first day of this event. The link to the evaluation site is pinned in the chat for both the event and in the stage, so you should be able to get there. And there's a video on the eval site to show you how to use it. And one more thing, which is at the end in the closing session today, we'll be doing a drawing for admission to a future conference, and it'll be based on those who filled out evaluations.
All right, just a reminder that we have a virtual trade show in the expo area. In the panel at the left, near the bottom, is expo, and that's what gives you the ability to go in and see the virtual booths. There are both live and video booths there. So the live booths, you get a chance to talk to everybody, and in the video booths, you can watch videos. So we recommend that you go and visit booths during breaks and social time. There is a schedule on the reception page that shows you that. We're actually going to get a chance to hear from our presenters. So I'm just going to turn off my screen share here. And Robert, he's going to be up first. He's going to talk about Xsharp.
Hello, can you see me?
Yep.
Good. Hi. Last year, we from the Xsharp group came to FoxFest for the first time ever, and we had no idea what to expect. Our knowledge about FoxPro was limited, I should say, and we were really happy and we really appreciated the way how we were received. What we saw is a very strong community and a product that was much more powerful than we knew. However, we also saw a product that is end of life and no longer maintained by its vendor. And many of you are looking for a way forward. And what we also learned from speaking to you guys, that you group have seen others who came and promised the future but did not deliver. Therefore, many of you are suspicious to strangers like we, and that come and make empty promises. However, believe me, we did not come with empty promises. We are developers just like you, and we only believe it when we see it. We think that with our Xsharp product, we are, I would say, the only group that offers you a way forward with your FoxPro apps into the changing world, where you can continue to develop with the productive development language that you all know so well. If you use Xsharp to move your products forward from FoxPro to the .NET world, you will find that it becomes much easier to extend your applications with the many components that are available in the .NET world, and you will also be able to smoothly work together with your often younger colleagues that have never heard of FoxPro and that develop in languages such as Xsharp and VB. We, Xsharp, are not completely ready yet for FoxPro, but we will be in the not too far future with your support. Do not expect that you can move your apps forward today without making any changes, but we are doing all we can to make it as easy as possible. Please speak to us in our booth and download Xsharp for free from our Xsharp website and give it a try. Finally, I would like to share my screen, show you one thing. Oh, I can't. We have, well, let's just do it verbally. We have a special discount. We fund our development with what we call the Friends of Xsharp sponsor program. And the subscription for this program is €999 per year. However, if you order now and you include a coupon code VFF2020, I repeat, VFF2020, then you will get a 35% discount on the first year of your subscription. And what's also important to realize that we set the priorities for development based on what our customers want. So if you become a subscriber, tell us what you want, that will definitely drive our development, and we will get your wishes implemented before other wishes. Thank you.
Joe, oh, there he is.
Good morning, all. Hope everybody enjoyed the first two sessions. I know I did. I'm Joe Raffinelli. I am a technical solutions manager at Microsoft. I've been here about 3.5 years. So what we do, we are a customized software development company that's been in business for over 25 years. We got a lot of experience developing platforms. So we have 3 development centers. We have here in Parsippany, New Jersey, about 125 to 150 people. Lahore, Pakistan, about 120 to 125 people as well. And then Trivandrum, India, around the same amount. So we're about 400 people strong. Consider ourselves to be more of a mid-sized software development company. We have so many solutions I cannot even fathom to to list them now. But the few that I want to focus in on is obviously we do application development, we do business analytics, and AI. We just opened up a new practice for industrial Internet of Things. It's called Triodos. We're working on that as well. And then obviously we do platform modernization and migration services. We have a ton of tools to help along with the migration. They're actually on our booth. If you click on them, you'll see a bunch of cool tools that you can look at. And it really shows a demo. And if you got questions about it, let me know. But it really dives into the detail if you see the recording. So what we've done lately over the last 2 years is we've blown out another solution, which is support services, which is extending the life of critical VFP applications. So that includes, maintenance and support, obviously, application analysis, really to understand what you have, because over time, some of the applications could be 25, 30 years old. We can help you to decipher that and figure out, how big that application actually is. We actually do system integration as well. And then we have VFP in the cloud, where we have our CTO, GH Shaw, do a presentation today at 3 p.m. I really recommend everybody, goes to that meeting. And there's also a white paper on that I can share if you come to my booth. So really, that's everything I had to say. So please come talk to me. I'll be at the booth as much as I can today, obviously during the breaks and any other sessions, even after the after all the sessions. So I'll be there. Looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks everybody for your time.
All right. Thank you, Robert and Joe.
Okay, so during Wednesday night in the after hours session, a number of the spouses of the people who come to the conference were hanging out in the session room with us. This is something that's been going on at Southwest Fox behind the scenes for a long time, probably a decade or more. And so we ended up creating a new spouses spa session after hours for those significant others who want to get together and chat like they do when they meet in person in Arizona. That will be available anytime. I think some of the spouses and significant others are already coordinating behind the scenes to pick a time where then they're going to do that. But it's just a session room, just like what we're used to using. There's also going to be a closing session at 6 p.m. Eastern time, UTC -4, following Tuvia's SQL Server Spatial data session. So please join us there. There's going to be some wrap-up information as well as a prize drawing that you'll probably be interested in.
Okay, so that's it for us. In 20 minutes, we'll be having our first presentation, so feel free to go to the expo, check out some of the booths there, go to sessions, and chat with some fellows there. Talk to you all later.